Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Fresha. So first, of course, you may want to head over to Fresha and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on this icon that is named Online Booking. So click on it and you will be redirected to your marketplace profile page and you can see your store profile here, and all you have to do is click on the three dot icon, then click on edit profile. This will redirect you to the essentials overview page, and from here all you have to do is proceed until you get to this page where you are asked where is your business located. And from here, you can change your store or business location. Just type in the new location. You can also adjust the pin location by dragging the map to get the exact pin location to your store. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on save and exit. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!